I just arrived at All About Fabrics in Williamston or Anderson, South Carolina, whatever you want to call it. Generally they do warehouse sale once a month, but because of the whole COVID thing, you can make appointments here. In the first building, right inside the door, is Trim Heaven. Lots of ribbons, trims by the yard. $1 a yard, $1.25. Satin ribbon, 25 cents. Home deck, $1 a yard. There's all the fun stuff. And laces. Oh my goodness, 80 cents a yard for lace at several dollars a yard at Joann's. I mean, big lace, home deck stuff. And now they're carrying bridal stuff too. Here's more of your eyelet trims. Especially the big stuff, which is great for edges of petticoats if you do that. Notion. Tablecloths, cushions, and in the very front corner of the store is your curtain rods. On the right side, left side, you've got jacquards, you've got linen, you've got silk, all your awesome what you would make for clothing or for home deck. I mean, come on. That's incredible. And that's, embroidered fabrics, $10 a yard. I mean, absolutely gorgeous fabric. I mean, $10 a yard, come on. That is wicked awesome. An oilcloth you can possibly imagine. I mean, lots and lots of options. Plus the clear vinyls and the really wide home deck fabric. Tablecloth, vinyl, $6 a yard. I mean, this stuff is incredible. I mean, could you imagine Joann selling it for that? Yeah, never. There's some seriously cute stuff. Your designer fabrics, the cottons, the flannels, and the good bins you dig into. That is $10 a yard.
Hey, Brandon's there.
And this is stuff, I mean, you could use for gymnastics, for color guard.
Call me back.
It's incredible. Yeah, it's like the stuff that Mary Jo's used to carry, but never for $10 a yard. I mean, there's whole bins of stuff. I mean, this is like spandex with that satin embossed. That'd be gorgeous on a winter guard uniform. Lycra solids, spandex, bengaline, your linens for $4.50 a yard. What? Lace on a roll, $5 a yard. Corduroy, $6 a yard. Netting, $1. Rolls of lace, $5 a yard. And these are everything from what you can find at Joann's to really cool stuff that would make gorgeous skirts or shawls or all sorts of stuff. You name it, it's here. And then there's the sample rolls, which are $3 per yard. They're just basically the leftovers. Interfacing. Cashmere wool, $15 a yard. What? I mean, there's some beautiful wools in here that you could do all sorts of fun things. $10 or $15 a yard. All the fake fur. Nylon taffeta. Your satins and crepe, $4 a yard. Polished cotton, bridal satin, $5 a yard. Anti-grip, anti-slip material, shelf lining, sequin fabric, yes, and pillows, and then chunks of calicos that are all different prices. And then over on the side, quilting, $5 a yard. So a little bit of, and broadcloth, $3. Silk bin, linens, just all sorts of fun things to dig through.